For our recent trip to London, we found a great deal on a rock royalty room at the Hard Rock Hotel London. It's a beautiful hotel with incredible service. Everyone we met was so helpful and so nice. There's a small Hard Rock cafe with live music every night, a bar, and a small rock shop. It's decorated like a typical Hard Rock with memorabilia on the walls. There are things from so many artists, including, in the middle of reception, Freddie Mercury's piano. The Rock Royalty Lounge, included with the Rock Royalty rooms, was incredible. It included breakfast, lunch, and evening snacks with items from the Hard Rock menu, free beverages, which included alcohol, and amazing service. The afternoon tea was particularly good. We loved this lounge. Particularly the lady working there, she was so good and so helpful. Plus, if you wanted a record player, yes, that's old-fashioned, or a guitar in your room, you could order it and play guitar till your heart's content with headphones, so you didn't bother the neighbors. We loved the room, we loved the service, we loved the lounge. We would happily stay here anytime and highly recommend it if you're coming to London. We are room 3099. The bathroom's nice. The sink's maybe a bit big and the toilet roll goes under it, so it's a bit hard to get to. That's my only complaint, really. And that's really good. You get nice toiletries and you have a shower, another little shower, and a bath. The bath is short, but it's great for soaking your legs, especially if you have sore legs. So in the mirror, you can see how tall you are compared to famous people. And Steve is Jimi Hendrix and Mick Jagger, and I'm Rihanna. Ariana Grande's tiny. Oh, sorry. It's hard to read because if you're not straight on, there you go. So for London, the Rock Royalty rooms are actually decent size. The bed's comfortable. Steve said the duvet is really warm, and I agree. We got really, really warm, so we turned down the air. So you're cold if you're out of the duvet, but nice and snugly in the duvet. It's the little touches that I love, like the water beside your bed, the robes, things like that. Could do with a better view, but we kept the curtains closed most of the time anyway. We actually had a twin room, but when I said, are there any king rooms available or doubles? He said, oh, we can put the twins together. And before we even got up here, they were together. That is service. Steve was impressed. There are a lot of power sockets and USB plugs. The mini bar is complimentary, but they don't refill it all the time. They never refilled Cokes, and they only refilled the waters once. There's an espresso machine, which is quite nice. And a few coffee pods so I can see my shadow. Kettle, of course, can make tea. Sign of the times. And then there's the kettles down here, and you've got tea, coffees, biscuits, milks, etc. So you have a massive closet, got an ironing board, an iron, hair dryer. Down in the bottom you have a safe, you have a couple of drawers, and these really nice robes. They're quite comfortable. The view's not much to speak of. I think you can pay extra for a better view, but the curtains are really nice. They're almost blackout curtains, so you have no idea what time it is when you wake up and you think, is it late? Is it early? I don't know. And I love that in a hotel room. We just came back to our room to things on our pillows, and we have water beside the bed. And slippers. Oh my goodness. Sweet dreams are made of this. How lovely. So this is what we came back to, although that's in such a hard knot. Okay, you know what? We're gonna cheat. There we go. We're gonna cheat.
Well done. Done.
Lovely. I'm in love with this hotel.
Okay.
Every night you get water by the bed, and on your pillow there is something. There are truffles. Last night we got an eye shade and earplugs. The other night we got teas, different flavored teas.